Okay, ayan. May palakpakan to our Yes, and of course, everyone, palakpakan for ourselves. It's because kamo dyan na naghatag ng blessing sila through the monetary gift. Oy, daghan kaayo mo. Congratulations, you Luel. And this time, ako tawagon sa Maid of Honor and si Best Man again to remove all this monetary gift. Best Man and Maid of Honor, please come forward. Tanggalan nita ng gift nga nasa couple sila ang dress. Ayan. Okay. O, tanggalan, Best Man. Nadunggan ako si Best Man. So, bawi ko ni mo yung 100 good. Bala na noon. Ayan, tawahin. Just for fun. Okay, go! Ayan. Ang coordinator sa main house, para mapaspasan natin dira. Before we get to proceed to the next part, for the safety, kaya ano, makatusok ang mga pukpok, everyone. Makatusok ang pukpok. Kaya yung pukpok lagi. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Oh. There you go. Alright, so again, thank you so much everybody for sharing your love and effort to our couple. Guys, a few minutes na lang, we're going to have our dinner. So, mga bago po tayo dyan. And I'm hoping nga sa itong mga bisita din, please, right away, after